Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior on Roblox. So guys, if you're playing Roblox and you suddenly get this pop-up and you're unable to play the game of Roblox in your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and then you have to simply update your Roblox app in your device for one time. So guys, for that simply open your app store and search here for Roblox. Here it is, and from here you have to simply get the updated version of Roblox app in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply check your internet connection. So guys, for that, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device, scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset the network settings of your device for one time as well. So do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your browser and search here for Roblox support. So guys, here you can see this, and go to Roblox support and wait here for some seconds. And from here you can easily report your issue to the Roblox team. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily contact the Roblox team from here. So guys, simply explain your problem in this description box, and after this you have to give here all these details in the above side, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the Roblox team. So guys, they will review your issue and they will try to fix this issue for you within 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.